Hello and welcome to our first class, Data Analysis using Python. In this course, we're going to be walking through analyzing data using Python. Python is an object-oriented programming language which is quite versatile for several things, and we are going to be deploying it, or should I say, putting its versatility to the test by using it to analyze data. Uh, so where do we begin? So we have two things. We have data, which is to be analyzed, and then we have Python. So you could think of it as which is dependent and which is independent. Okay, the Python is independent, the data is dependent on Python, which is mainly a tool to use to analyze the data. Now there are different kinds of data as well as different kinds of data analysis to be done. The environment which you can see is one of the environments that we'll be using to express ourselves within the Python programming language. Okay, this is VS Studio, and you could use several other environments. So there's VS Studio, you could have Spider, Anaconda, the Anaconda suite, there's Atom, and there are a whole lot out there. One of the first things I would put you through the test of is an assignment on getting an environment ready. Okay, so VS Studio is easy to use, but I'm not going to constrain you to using just the VS Studio. You can use several, you can explore several other packages out there, and they are just as good. So this is our first class, and I'm really happy that you've taken this bold step to come on board. In our next discourse, we're going to be looking at data types in Python. Okay, data types under the Python programming language. So how things like numbers are stored, text are stored, and we know how to manipulate or process or even access to start with these different data, how to handle them, treat them, and then moving incrementally to see how we can perform more operations to help us analyze our data. Welcome again, and congratulations for taking this bold step. Can't wait to see you in the next module. Cheers.